Hey, guys! It's an exciting time for car enthusiasts because the all-new 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto is here. In this video, we will be sharing all the details about this hybrid supercar, including its powertrain, design, and features. So, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the powertrain. The Lamborghini Revuelto comes with a 6.5-liter V12 engine and a trio of electric motors, which can produce a combined peak of 1,001 horsepower. It has two electric motors on the front axle, allowing torque vectoring under both power and regenerative braking. A third motor is integrated into the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which is now mounted behind the combustion engine. Additionally, the Revuelto has an onboard 3.8 kWh battery pack, which can produce a peak current flow of 187 horsepower. The battery can be charged from a port inside the front luggage compartment, and it can be replenished using the V12, which takes just 6 minutes to top up the battery pack. Moving on to the design, the Revuelto looks like a typical Lamborghini, with a low, wedgy, and aggressive stance. However, there are also new details that set it apart, such as the hooded headlights set under a hood that runs all the way to the front of the car, inspired by Lamborghini's sister brand, Ducati. The front also features Y-shaped running lights and a pair of spherical radar sensors, giving a visual cue to the Revuelto's dramatically increased level of technology. The side view is dominated by huge air intakes behind the doors, and above these, the massive air channels on each side are covered by a skin, which Borkert describes as aero wings, and nominates them as his favorite detail on the car. The back end is dominated by huge center exit exhaust tailpipes beneath a moving wing element. The Revuelto's cabin is more spacious than the Aventador's tight-fitting cabin, with more headroom and elbow space, and several storage areas. The driver has a 12.3-inch instrument pack, an 8.4-inch touchscreen that serves as the primary user interface, and a 9.1-inch letterbox display in front of the passenger. The wiper and turn signal controls have been moved to the face of the steering wheel, and there are dial controls on the steering wheel to manage the chassis and powertrain modes, as well as adjustable aerodynamic and ride height settings. Finally, let's talk about the performance claims. The Revuelto has a new mode in addition to the regular Lamborghini settings of Strada, Sport and Casa, Città, the EV-only setting intended for low-speed urban use. Electric-only range is going to be very limited, as Lamborghini says it will probably be just 6 miles under European testing protocol. However, in Strada mode, it increases the peak power available to 873 horsepower, Sport mode raises it to 895 horsepower, and Casa brings the full 1,001 horsepower. Lamborghini claims that the Revuelto's core carbon structure is both lighter and stronger than that of the Aventador. That's all for today's video on the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto. We hope you enjoyed learning about this powerful hybrid supercar. What do you think about the Revuelto? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.